Hi everybody and welcome back to Workouts with Gym Fit. I'm so excited that you have joined me today. We are going to get straight into it with our donkey kicks. And when we extend that right leg out and when we bring it in, we're crunching that core. Extend out, crunch that core. We will be doing each move for 15 seconds. Great job. Now let's move on to the donkey kick, but we're pulsing up. So we kick our leg up into a donkey kick and then we hold it at the top and we pulse that leg up and down, activating that glute muscle. Moving on to the alternate side now, we do the exact same moves, just switching sides. So starting off with that left leg donkey kick. Moving into those left leg pulses now. Extend your left leg back and pulse. Amazing job. Now let's stand up at the end of our mat. We're going to come to a squat sequence. So our first move is just a regular squat, making sure you're squeezing those glutes at the top. Our legs are shoulder width apart. Brilliant job. Now let's bring our feet slightly closer together and we're going to squat down and then we're going to come up onto our toes. So squat down, up onto our toes, down, up onto our toes. This next move is almost like a squat hold, and then you come up onto your toes and back down again. Amazing job. Now we're going to come down onto our mat. We're moving on to an ab sequence. Our first move is going to be 100. So what you do is you bring your legs up into tabletop position. You have your arms down by your sides and we pump our arms. This move is called hundreds. come into our bicycle crunches. What I want you to do is have your hands behind your head. You're then going to bring your elbow to the alternate knee, and we're going to bicycle away. Amazing. Okay, let's bring those legs back up into tabletop position, and keeping your head off the ground, what we're going to do is extend that right leg out in front, bring it back into tabletop, and then extend the left leg out in front. So right leg, tabletop, left leg, tabletop. Now let's extend just the left leg out, and we're going to pulse that left leg off the ground. So we're just going to pulse it. I know this one will burn and it'll take a lot of control, but it's such a great move for toning those legs and using your core. Such a good job now. Okay, what I'd like you to do is take a little bit of a breather, and then we're going to come up. We're going to lean back slightly onto our forearms. We're going to have both legs out in front of us, and we're going to extend those legs out and then bring them back together into a crunch position. So arms slightly behind us, we're on our forearms. Ready? We're going to extend out, bring back in, extend out, bring back in. Beautiful job, guys. We're now going to go into some upper body work. This is chest and arms. What I'd like you to do is roll on over. You're going to lay on your front, and you're going to extend both arms out in front of you, and we're going to do pullbacks. Your legs are going to be lifted off the ground. So lay down, extend your arms out in front, and then you're going to pull back your arms, keeping those feet off the ground. You feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, my break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never lack those. She saw the stone, you know how that goes. Guys, you have made it to the very last move. I'm so excited. Okay, what you're going to do now is staying on your front. You're actually going to have your hands by your side, and you're going to lift your chest and your hands off the ground and your feet at the same time. So we lift up and back down, lift up and back down. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. I hope you have the most amazing day and this workout made you feel great and energized. Before you click out of this video, it would be amazing if you could please subscribe. It really helps me out and it keeps me making these videos for you. Thank you so much. See you next time.